How to get more clients by building your tribe online and offline. Today's session, I'm talking to you specifically about how to build your tribe. Why build a tribe, right? Today, more than ever, right? I know sometimes people get overloaded with what social media to do. And so, number one, get your Facebook ads working. If you haven't got Facebook ads working, then you need to do that first. Why? Because you can control it. It's the most cost effective. You can test it. It's the most, it literally is it's the easiest platform to start off with. So if you haven't done a Facebook ad, you need to do that, all right? That's the first step, because you need to test your hook story offer. You need to test, you're giving this thing out for free. If you're starting from scratch with no clients, or even if you're just doing a couple of 100,000 already in your business, you need to be giving something away in order to get someone's email address and building your list. Your list becomes, your asset within your business, all right? So that being said, that is your testing ground, and then the next stage is building your tribe around this social media game. Now I'm going to take you through some concepts and I built an entire system around it, but again, it's like you have to find out what works best for you. Like, for example, you can use, if you watch my feed, I do a tweet and then I take a picture of that tweet and then I use it on Instagram, and then I use that on Instagram as a concept of which I'll do a podcast on, and then a YouTube video, etc. And so I think one of the best ways to build an online following or an offline following, again, is understanding your niche, understanding your clients, understanding what they want, all right, and leveraging your time in the best way possible. The more you leverage your time, the easier the whole thing is, rather than thinking that your content and making an impact and getting your message out should be something you need to do on the go. All right, so I do my best to link them all together, so you're not spending time individually doing everything for one. Now, of course, there's a lot to be said for doing individual content for individual platforms. So I would also say, wherever you can, try and specifically use certain stuff for certain stuff. For example, certain stuff on Instagram is not relevant for YouTube, for example. YouTube is a longer game platform. However, all right, here's the lesson that I took last year that really changed how I build my tribe, right? And it's really, really simple. It's gonna really simple, and I hope that you can get what I'm laying down for you right now. People that listen to podcasts, what do? They listen to podcasts. Therefore, just do podcasts for them. So how do I do that? I do it in the car. Every single week I go to see my parents, and I do 2 episodes on the way there, 2 episodes on the way back, and so there's 4 episodes done. Now, what do I mean by that? A lot of people try and strip their audio out of a YouTube video. Now, I have done that, but I notice if you're talking directly to them, it's better. All right, so when you're using Instagram, all right, definitely use Instagram for people just using Instagram, as in, all right, and I've done the testing on this, all right, so just specifically use content for example, your story should be a daily kind of vlog, daily sort of lifestyle tips, etc., whatever your niche may be, but use it just for Instagram, okay? And I'm even a big fan of actually don't even repost YouTube videos on your IGTV. Use specifically stuff that is Instagram friendly. When it comes to YouTube, make sure that you're doing specific YouTube videos for your people on YouTube, because people that watch YouTube want to watch YouTube videos. And so I really think what I want you to get when you're building your tribe, you need to separate where people are watching your stuff, okay? And so that's it. You have to get your message out, you have to do it on the go, you have to hit these things up. If you are an expert, author, coach, consultant, therapist, trainer, etc., expert, you want to make an impact, you want to change people's lives, you want to get your message out, you have to find out where are your clients right now, what platform are they on, where are they hanging out, what groups are they hanging out, and go out and find them. All right, so as always, I built an entire system around that. It's called Build Your Tribe, and it really is the simplest way to build a natural organic following. I'm also going to tell you there's no way to cheat it. All right, there's loads of, you know, shit all over the online, you know, today, and I've tested everything. You cannot cheat the way up. That's it. You know, like, you've got to not compare yourself to anyone else. You've got to not look at other people's feeds, and just focus on your clients. Focus on giving them great value. Focus on that. And no matter how many people you don't need millions of subscribers today in order to have a super successful business. That's why I always open up with, start this with, you know, Facebook ads, so that you can have something that's the quickest way to monetize something. All right, Facebook ads is the #1 to start actually monetizing your message, so that you can, you know, that you can actually make a living, and a super successful living, you know, from doing that. And then all of the other things, YouTube, Instagram, you know, they support it. And of course, you know, people say, Ed, what's the difference between Facebook and Instagram? They're both the same platforms, right? So I put Facebook in the same kind of group as Instagram. All right, that being said, let me know how you enjoyed that video, comment below, and here's what I want you to do. Just click there, that's it, click there, and so you can get more Instagram followers. No stupid, like, you know, follower, all of that shit, okay? Real, just straight up how to maximize your Instagram, okay, so you can get more followers organically. All right, go over, click that video, and I'll see you on the next video.